Hey guys, Bo Browning here, and you might know just recently won the Bassmaster Junior Nationals hosted at Carroll County Lake in Tennessee, and just got a box in as kind of a congratulations from the guys at Livetarget. They sponsored Dad, but they just sent me kind of congratulations, and we're about to do a little unboxing, my first unboxing video, so let's get right into it. Starting off right off the top, let's see what's in here. All right. Looks like a hoodie. Nice. Nice Livetarget hoodie. Livetarget on the back. Really nice. Ready for winter fishing. That's going to be my go-to jacket, hoodie. Livetarget hat to go along with it, matching it. Good looking hat. That's, I don't know what that is. I'll open that in a little bit. Getting on down into some baits here. Got hollowbelly sunfish, Livetarget hollowbelly sunfish. Won the 2015 iCast bait of the year. 2 more hollowbelly frogs to go along with that. Here we've got Livetarget weight bait, brokeback bluegill. 2 more hollowbelly sunfish. Another sunfish. And a Livetarget bait ball popper, topwater. Yeah, I think that's it, buddy. I think that's it. Thank you to the guys at Livetarget. Thank you so much. Definitely see these clothes in my videos now. I can't wait to put some of these baits to use. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing video. See you on the water. Thanks for watching.